You have written all these?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is two methods by which we prepare partners capital account. One is called fluctuating capital method and the other one is called fixed capital. In fluctuating capital method, all the items like recurring nature item or non-recurring nature, all the item is written at one place in one account, that is capital account. That's why the balance keeps fluctuating and it is called fluctuating capital account. So you can see the format of fluctuating capital method and all the items are written here, like interest on drawing, profit and loss, appropriation account, or loss, share of loss, cash account if additional capital, interest on capital, partner salary, commission, and share in profit. So all these items are written in capital account. But when we follow fixed capital method, then there is two accounts. One is called partners capital account and the other is partners current account. Now, what is the difference between these two? In partners capital account, we write only items which is rare, non-recurring in nature. And in current account, we write all other items, which is regular in nature, recurring in nature. So that's why only current account balance will fluctuate and capital account balance will be fixed. So that is why it is called fixed capital method. Now, we have already written all the items name. You can see here recurring items. All these items will go in current account and these are non-recurring items. It will go in capital. But when you are preparing fluctuating capital method, then all of these recurring or non-recurring, both items will go in a single account, that is capital. There will be no current account. So this is our capital account concept. Now we will solve a portion of capital. Let me share a portion with you. So this is the question. Can you see the question?
Yeah.
Yes. A, B, and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1/2, 3/10, and 1/5. After providing for interest at the rate 5% on their respective capital. A rupee 50,000, A capital is 50,000, B 30,000, and C 20,000. And allowing B and C a salary of 5,000 each for an During the year ended 31st March 2015, A has drawn 10,000. B and C, in addition to their salary, have drawn rupees 2,500 and 1,000 respectively. This point is very important. You have to understand this because A has drawn only 10,000. There is no other line written with it. A has drawn 10,000. It is 10,000. But B and C has drawn 2,500 and 1,000 in addition to their salary. Okay, so it means whatever their salary is, this amount will be added in their salary and that will be the drawing. B and C salary is already written there, 5,000 each. And if they have withdrawn, B have withdrawn 2,500 in addition to their salary, it means B had withdrawn 7,500 and C have withdrawn 6,000. ओके
अच्छा लगाऊंगी तेरे को क्लास चल रही थी क्या मैसेज दाखिल कर बैठी
खत्म अभी शुक्र करो
नहीं लात मारूंगी मैं तुम्हारा
अच्छा।
शनिवार में
यस आपका माइक ऑन है क्लास के टाइम पे क्लास पे फोकस कीजिए इसीलिए हम स्टूडेंट्स को एक्चुअली वीडियो ऑन करने के लिए कहते हैं, बट जनरली ऐसे स्टूडेंट करते नहीं है, तो फिर पता नहीं चलता कि so focus on the class. That's the main point of this online classes. Okay, so Maya, reply something.
Yes.
Okay, so actually I'm explaining the question. If you will not understand this, then when I solve it, you'll not get it, and you will not be able to solve the question also. You're using your phone because your mother was saying, I think, voice I didn't recognize, but yes, she's saying that.
No,
Using your phone.
no, it was just I asked notes for my friend and she just responded. So I was just like, okay, and then mom came, that's why.
Okay, no issue. But try to understand the question. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So A has drawn 10,000. It is simply written, so it means total amount of drawing for A is 10,000. But B and C, in addition to their salary, have drawn 2,500 and 1,000. Now, in addition to their salary, it means their salary is 5,000 each. B addition is 2,500 and C in addition, 2,500 and C in addition to his salary is 1,000. So C withdrawn 6,000, B withdrawn 7,500. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. The profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2015 showed a net profit of rupees 45,000 before charging interest on capital and partner salary. It means from this profit, interest on capital and partner salary is not deducted. So we have to deduct it. On 1st April 2014, the balance in the current account of the partners were A, rupees 4,500, B, rupees 1,500, and C, rupees 1,000. Interest is not charged on drawing or current account balance. Show partners capital account and current account as at 31st March 2015 after division of profit in accordance with the partnership agreement. So this, can you tell me that which method we are following in this question?
It shows fixed capital method.
Yes, it shows fixed capital method, but how you know this that it is following fixed capital?
Because it says shows partners capital account and current account.
Very good. Yes, it is showing partners current account balance in the question. That's why it is fixed capital method. Now, can you give me two more indicator if this current account balance is not given in the question? So what will be two indicator that we will follow fixed capital method? Okay, so one is if it is clearly written in the question that you have to follow fixed capital method. That is the one indicator. The second, if current account balance is given here, that's why it is simple, like fixed capital method and current account. So yes, so first is that they will give you the current account balance, and the second is they will tell you in the question that you have to follow fixed capital method. So these are the two indicators. Actually, one is given in the question and one is the extra. Okay, so now we will start the question. You want to ask anything in this question?
No.
So first of all, we will prepare all the format. There are three accounts we have to prepare. One is this profit and loss appropriation account. The second is partners capital account. I have given some homework in the previous class.
Yeah, the Learnivio people contacted me. They told me they'll keep a meeting today at 4 o'clock, but then I didn't get any like link to join or something. I told them like the app isn't showing me any of the homeworks and everything.
Okay. So this is partner's current account. A, B, C. And then this is partner's capital. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Okay. So the first thing is we have to calculate the ratio. This is not the ratio. We cannot use this. We have to convert this into the ratio. So working note number 1 for a ratio. It is A 1/2, B 3/10, and C 1/5. Do you know how to convert these into ratio?
Is it the no wait? Well, the capital into 10/100 is that? No, that's capital calc. No.
No, the first thing is in these type of situation, you have to see that which one is higher denominator. It is 10, okay? In all three, denominator highest is 10. And A denominator is 2, C denominator is 5. Now, if you can make it same, then you can convert it into the ratio. Otherwise, it is not possible. So, can we convert 2 into 10? Yes, by multiplying it with 5, we can convert it into 10. Yes?
Hmm?
By converting this, multiplying this 2 with 5, we can get 10 as denominator. Yes?
Also, we match the denominators.
Yes, we have to match the denominator, but this fraction should not change. That's why we will write 5 as numerator also.
But 1 into 5 is 5, so the ratio is changing.
It will be 5/10. Yes?
Oh, okay. Now when we cancel, it will be 1/2. Okay, got it.
Yes. So this is 3/10. And again, it will be 2/2. So 2/10. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now the ratio will be 5:3:2.
Yes. True. Okay.
Okay. Sometimes this is not the situation. You cannot get the same denominator by multiplying the number. Like, let me tell you, it is 1/4, and it is, let's say, 1/6. Okay.
Okay.
And 1/3. Now, if you can convert this into 6, but not 4. Yes.
Yes.
So what will happen then? So we will find a common denominator, common amount, which will be divided by all these three. So I think it is 12. So we will get 3/3, 3/12, 2/2, 2/12, and 4/4, 4/2. Yes.
Yeah.
This is how we solve these type of situation. Actually, this is not the correct example. I've just given you to understand that if your denominator cannot be same by using any one of these denominator, then you can change the denominator. But it should be equal in all the partners. Understood?
Yeah.
Just 1 minute. Okay. So this is our first thing, ratio, 5:3:2. Now the second part, where we have to calculate interest. So working note number 2. Interest on capital. A, 50,000 into 5/100. B, 30,000 into 5/100. And C, it is 20,000 into 5/100. Okay.
Okay.
50,000, 30,000, 20,000. So amount will be 2,500, 1,500, and 1,000. So this will go in profit and loss appropriation account and current account. To interest on capital. A, B, C, 2,500, 1,500, and 1,000. Total 5,000. Then to salary of partner. It is also given in the question. Salary of partner 5,000 each for B and C. So 5,000, 5,000, total 10,000. Now this will go in current account also. So by interest on capital and by partner's salary. Partner's salary will be written in B and C.
We don't have any calculation to do for partner's capital. Sorry, salary.
No, salary is given here. You can see. Allowing B and C a salary of 5,000 each per annum. You don't have to calculate it.
Okay.
So 5,000, then 2,500 for 1,500 for B and for C. This is their interest on capital. We have done two adjustments. Now, during the year ended 31st March 2015, A has drawn 10,000. A has drawn, so to cash, or you can write drawing also. So 10,000. Let me write drawing. To drawing. 10,000. And we have to calculate the drawing of B and C, because it is in their addition, in addition to their salary. Salary is 5,000 each, so 2,500 and 5,000 plus 1,000. So what will be the total? 7,500 and total will be 7,500 and 6,000. So it will go in the current account, 7,500 and 6,000. After this, the profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2050 show a net profit of 45,000. So net profit is 45,000. We will write here by profit and loss account. 45,000. On 1st April 2014, the balance in the current account is also all three has credit balance 4,500, 1,500. So it is by balance BD 4,500, 1,500 and 1,000. There is balance of capital also given in the quotient by balance BD. It is 50,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Done. All the information we have already used. There is no interest on drawing, and current account balance show partners capital account, current account and division of profit. So total is 45,000. Just 45,000 to partners capital. This balance will go in partners capital. So 10,000, 5,000, it will be 30,000 balance. 45,000 minus these two, 30,000. Now A, B, actually we have little space. Distribution will be done in 5:3:2. So 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. And this will go in current account also by profit and loss appropriation account. 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. We will calculate the total. $22,000, then 17,000, 13,000. $22,000, 17,000 and 13,000. Balance CD 12,000, 9,500 and 7,000. Is this clear?
Yeah.
And the balance of partners capital account will remain same. $50,000, 30,000, 20,000. $50,000, 30,000, 20,000 to balance CD 50,000, 30,000 and 20,000. So this is our solution of partners capital account. Tell me if you have any doubt in this solution or working that we have done, anything.
If salary of partner is not given, how do we calculate it then?
Salary is not given.
No, like I don't remember, but then one question, it was like it was already deducted from the profit, like after deducting salary, this much profit was there. So if that is there,
So yes. So if the question has asked you that salary is already deducted from the profit, then you have to add it back. And to add it back, you need information about salary. So they will give you the amount of salary or like per month figure, per week figure, or per annum figure. In any form, they will give you the salary. You don't have to calculate it. If it is given in per month, then you have to multiply it by 12. That's it. This is the information we will get in the question.
okay.
But it is not like that salary is fully missing from the question. You have to calculate it. No, that is not the case. You will be given some information and you have to use it to calculate salary. Okay, now one more thing. The presentation should be like this. You will not use any shortcut like sometime I do it. It's my mistake. Sometime I forget that like, yes, I have written, you can see here, balance in short form, BL. You will not do this. You have to write to balance CD, not only BL. Okay, the same manner, you will write by profit and loss appropriation account, the full spelling of profit and loss, not P&L. So you will not use the shortcut. Presentation will be like this. You will prepare the solution and there should be working note along with the solution. Like this. What you are calculating, you have to write it. Okay.
Yeah.
One working note is actually missing here. Working note number 4, it will be division of profit. Sometimes we forget that we have to prepare working note because we have just calculated the division of profit in our mind. So that's why I have not prepared this, but it will be 30,000 into 5 by 10, 30,000 into 3 by 10, and 30,000 into 2 by 10. So 6,000, 9,000, and 15,000. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to copy this, take the screenshot. Do you have any doubt?
No.
Everything is clear.
Yeah.
These type of question, I think you have already done in your school.
Yes.
How many questions have you solved until now? How many questions have you solved in this chapter?
1 second. About 20, I think.
20.
More
That's
than that.
very good. So do you have any doubt in this chapter? Any topic?
No, in this one, no, because I revised it because also we had tests and everything, and our teacher thought it was a good idea to drop a bombshell that from the coming Wednesday we have our test starting. It
Okay.
was supposed to be yeah. They originally planned to keep it on the 1st of May, but today our teacher came and she's like, no, Wednesday, day after tomorrow, your exams are starting. They didn't give us the portion, they didn't give us the timetable of what the exams are going to, what date exams are going to be also.
That's not good.
They're like, we still have to discuss what portions to give you.
So if they will not give you the detail of the chapters, then how you will prepare for it?
That's what they said. May 1st week, they will keep the tests. So we were like, oh, by that time we'll get the, what do you say,
Revision done.
portions and everything. Yeah, maybe some revision time also. But today the teacher came and she's like, oh, you don't know your exams are starting from day after tomorrow. And we're like, okay, what are the portions? She's like, I don't know, we still have to decide that.
Okay. So you know that which chapters actually have already completed in your school? Can you tell me?
We finished
Principle of
goodwill.
partnership, goodwill,
We finished goodwill and we started this new one today. I don't
change in profit sharing ratio.
reconstitution of partnership in that.
Yes. Change in profit sharing ratio.
Yeah.
Actually, in school, they go a little fast.
Yeah, she finished Goodwill in 2 days.
Okay. You have taken the screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay. All these working notes and the accounts. Okay. So now, after this partner's capital account, there is a concept of interest on capital and drawing. Interest on capital and then interest on drawing. So, can you tell me the formula that we use for calculation of interest?
Capital into rate by 100.
Capital into rate by 100. And if there is any change in capital during the year, then how will we calculate the interest?
So first the interest, if from April to June there is one, so we'll do 3 by 12. After capital into rate by 100 by 3 by 12 into 3 by 12. And then the
Okay.
next one, the changed capital, will do that into rate by 100 plus into the remaining uh months by
Remaining
12.
time period. Yes.
By 12.
So there is two method actually for calculation of interest on capital. You just told me about simple method. Simple method, in this we use the formula. So the amount of capital into rate by 100 into time divided by 12 or 365. Sometimes days are given in the question. So in that case, you have to use 365. But if it is month, then we'll use 12. Now, this is simple method. In this method, we will use this formula for every change in amount. So for every increase in the increase or decrease, sorry, in amount of capital, we have to use this formula separate. So this is the note for simple method, the first method. The second method is called product method. Now, when there is more than 3-4 changes in a year, then we can apply product method. Sometimes it seems easy, but most of the students say that it is very difficult. So there is a table that we prepare. In that table, we write date of change. There is 4 columns. First is date of change. Second is time period between 2 changes. And then the amount after change. And then the product. Product means 2 into 3. The column number 1, it is 2, it is 3, and it is 4. So 4 equals to 2 into 3. So this is our table that we prepare. Now, after preparing this table, we calculate total of this product. And this total of product will be used for calculation of interest. So interest equals to total product into rate by 100. And interest will be calculated for 1 day or 1 month, you can say. So 1 by 12 or 365, whatever, generally 12. So total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. Now the question is why we are using this 1 month only. Why we are not taking the different time period like 12 or 6 or 3 or 9? Because we have already multiplied this time period with the amount. So you don't have to multiply this again with the amount. So in this product, we have the time period included. That's why we are using 1 month. So if it is more than 4 or 5 adjustment in a year, 4 or 5 changes during the year, then we can use this product method. It will be easy. Okay, like we will write all the changes. We will write the time period between these and then the amount product. Also, this is less confusing. Sometimes when you use simple method, then sometimes we are not able to calculate the time period between 2 changes. Okay, so that's why it is confusing. And there may be some mistake in calculation. So product method can be used. But whatever you think is easy, you can use that. There is no like necessity of using this product method. So you can use the simple method if you think simple method is easy. Okay. So in the question, they will not ask you to solve questions by using any of these 2 methods. They will just ask you to calculate interest. It is depending on you that which method you are using. So best
Will the
suitable
question
method.
not give the method?
No, question will not ask you to use the method. It depends on you.
Okay.
Whichever you find easy, you will use it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me give you one example so that it will be good to understand. Let's say there is a partner A and B. I'm taking only A capital. So opening capital is 5 lakh. On 1st April 2015, 19, let's say. 1st April 2019. On 30th September, he introduced 1 lakh additional capital. Then on 1st December, he withdrew 2 lakh of his capital. So we have to calculate the interest. Now, first simple method. If we are using simple method, then we will use 5 lakh into, let's say rate of interest is 12%. So 5 lakh into 12 by 100 into from this point to this point. It will be 6 months. So 6 by 12. Then in second case, it is 6 lakh now into 12 by 100 into from this point to this point, 30th September. So 2 by 12. And for third term, it is 4 lakh into 12 by 100 into 4 by 12. Now the amount will be 30,000. $12,000 then it is 16,000. So total interest is 58,000. Is there any doubt here?
No.
Okay, if we use product method, then we will write the date, 1st April, then 30th September, and then 1st December. So time period will be 1st April to 30th September, 6, 2, and 4. Amount is 5 lakh in the beginning, then it becomes 6 lakh, and then it is 4 lakh. So 30 lakh, 12 lakh, and 16 lakh. It is 58 lakh. Now 58 lakh into a rate which is 12% into 1 by 12. So it is 58,000. Okay, so these two methods we can use for calculation of interest. Product method, and this is simple. Tell me, is this clear? Do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, so these are the topics, partners capital account and interest on capital. I will share some question with you, and if you have any doubt in those portions, then we will discuss it in the beginning of the class. Okay.
Okay.
So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you.